The better part of the year, people have been back to living their normal lives, packing into restaurants, going into the gym freely, attending large events. But now, with COVID cases back on the rise in central Ohio, some people are erring on the side of caution, and they're planning to avoid large crowds. NBC4's Anna Hoffman has been talking with local businesses, trying to find out their plans to beat this new wave.
Columbus Public Health making the recommendation for people to wear masks indoors has businesses thinking if they should bring back restrictions they had in 2020. So we came to Go Fitness in Grandview, a place where there's lots of contact, to see where their heads are at.
6 more sumo squats, and I'll switch it up.
Cleaning has always been a priority at Go Fitness in Grandview.
Always had the safety of our members first and foremost.
Last one. There you go. Good job. Spray those down. We'll put those back.
So when the pandemic hit in 2020,
The green towels.
General Manager Sharon Osborne says their cleanliness just got stronger, even 2 years later.
Oh, we were always clean before, but then we also brought out other different types of, as you can see, all the bottles and everywhere around, we're constantly changing them, but we're always staying on top of everyone wipes everything down.
5, one more.
Osborne says they kept most of their COVID precautions even as restrictions started to ease. They still have squares taped to the floor so gym goers can keep their distance, and they keep class numbers to a small size. After hearing Franklin County is back at high risk of spreading the virus, Osborne thinks this time around they can continue to build up their strength as a gym rather than limit their workout with restrictions.
So if we do go into another phase similar to 2 years ago, I think all of us will be able to handle it a lot better than the first time. I think we're all wiser.
Even with the safety precautions still in place, some Columbus residents aren't feeling confident about being in public places.
I've started wearing a mask more often, but I feel like you don't hear about it as much as you used to.
If I'm in a crowded area, I'm going to distance myself, or I'm going to wear a mask, or I'm just going to avoid the situation.
Dawn Strong says she is doing what she can to curb the spread, but doesn't trust others are doing the same.
You know, this is something that we have to think about others and not just about ourselves.
Health officials say the best thing you can do to stop the spread of the virus is to wear a mask in crowded places and stay home and test yourself if you're feeling sick. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Anna Hoffman, NBC4.